As per our ongoing Near Protocol cost expectation, the worth of Near Protocol will expanded by 248.41%, coming to $4.04 by end of 2025, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the genuinely current opinion in every practical sense is negative, while the trepidation and ravenousness record basically is perusing 26.07, and that implies intense apprehension. In spite of prevalent thinking, our Near Protocol gauge, it's dangerous to especially sell Near Protocol right now in an unpretentious manner. On September 21, 2023. Practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while in every way that really matters, different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative feeling among Near Protocol cost forecasts. Incredibly, see the specific Near Protocol cost forecast underneath. You will realize how especially much Near Protocol is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout the course of recent days, Near Protocol has commonly diminished by 0.93%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of Near Protocol expanded by 110.96% and came to near around $2.34. Right now, all markers certainly are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and eagerness list shows 26.07 intense feelings of dread in an unpretentious manner. As per our gauge, this sort of isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Near Protocol. As of now, Near Protocol generally is exchanging underneath the 200 basic moving normal, a sort of significant way, for the absolute most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023. SMA has shown a Near Protocol selling signal, which is genuinely critical. The cost of Near Protocol in a real sense is as of now running beneath the 50-day especially basic moving normal. SMA, and it shows a sell certainly signal amazingly. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will sort of hit $1.57 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Near Protocol's momentary 50-day SMA shows a $1.21, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The really relative strength list, RSI, energy oscillator, is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money for the most part is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI generally is as of now at her Civilu. This shows that the near market is in an impartial position, or so they thought. Near Protocol value expectation 2023 in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023. Near Protocol came to $2.65 when it in every way that really matters dipped under $1.24 interestingly since January 2021, or so they thought. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Near Protocol is headed to passing the $2.44 mark before the current year is over, or so they thought. Before $2.44, it might break its characteristic of $20.42 in reach. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Near Protocol will break its past all-time high of $20.42 and hold somewhere in the range of $2.15 and $2.44 soon. At this point, on 21 September 2023, Near Protocol is exchanging at $1.11. And its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 60.48 M, and it makes number 41 cash in the entire crypto world. And the most probable Near Protocol cost will especially be consistent at around $2.76 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Near Protocol's extremely wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally disagreeable energy use, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Near Protocol will in every practical sense reach $2.87 toward the finish of 2024 or really mid-2024. as opposed to mainstream thinking. Near Protocol Value Expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that Near will begin the year at $3.28 and exchange around $4.04, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per their expectations, this would explicitly be very certainly high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Near Protocol Value Expectation 2026 there in a real sense is, and in every practical sense, great possibility that Near Protocol 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it basically is likewise commonly conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme, $5.07 level in an unpretentious manner. Near Protocol is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking high of $4.96 or $5.07 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of Near Protocol. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2027. Near Protocol Value Expectation, or Near, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it by and large can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, Near Protocol's cost is supposed to outperform $5.07 in 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. It has been anticipated that Near Protocol will arrive at the sort of most extreme cost of $5.07, and the base cost by and large is supposed to basically be around $4.27 in the following a long time from 2027 in a significant manner. Near Protocol Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists express that Near Protocol Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Near Protocol, is supposed to especially cross a value level of $5.55 in 2028. In the meantime, Near Protocol is supposed to generally arrive at least cost of $5.27 this year. The sort of greatest cost may sort of reach $5.96. Near Protocol Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Near Protocol Value Forecast and Specialized Examination foresee that the expense of Near Protocol will reach $7.98, and the cost of Near ought to sort of reach $7.98 before the year is over in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Near can by and large reach up to $7.50 in cost in an unobtrusive manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will truly bring huge years for Near Protocol development. Near Protocol Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Near Protocol Value Forecast are supposed to explicitly cross the $11.30 normal cost level, as indicated by Near Protocol conjecture and specialized investigation, in spite of mainstream thinking. Toward the finish